designers and manufacturers of the finest soft-faced hammers and mallets for over 100 years. Today, still using some of those traditional techniques, although now complemented with modern machinery, the manufacturing journey continues. Because of its unique grain structure, domestic water buffalo hide is used in the production of Thor rawhide hammers and mallets. The hide is first soaked to make it pliable enough to roll by hand. It is then left to dry before being pressed several times. The final operation is to apply a protective coating. Casting metals can leave imperfections in the finished product. Therefore, to ensure a consistently reliable product, Thor only uses extruded material to manufacture hammer faces and mallet heads. Throughout the decades, the company has continued to develop the Thor product range, which now includes the Thor-X nylon range of hammers, the Thor-Ace dead blow range, as well as split head hammers and plastic, copper and brass mallets. New customers have gradually come on board, and Thor Hammer, still a family-owned company, now exports to more than 80 countries worldwide. Thor, the soft face hammer company.